In this video, I will talk about nib pen that is used in Madhubani painting. We will unbox it, then look the material and discuss about how to use the nib pen. We will also tell whether it is worth buying or not. With that being said, let's roll the intro. This is the box, or I would say the packet I got from Amazon. Now let's just open to see what's inside waiting for us. I'm not using any kind of scissor, but you can use a scissor to open this. It opened very quickly and easily, and from there we can see this is the packaging we are getting. Let's now tear up the package and let's see how the material is looking like. In the back portion there is written generic comic pen set. So let's now open it to see how the pen set actually is. Finally, with a little bit of struggle, I opened the package. You can see there is two long holders available. Both of the holders are different in size and the quality is plasticky. The previous one was the big holder and the next one is the smaller holder. Next we are getting 5 sets of steel nibs. Let's keep it aside very carefully, and another thing we have is the eraser. It looks like a pretty normal eraser and it is. So in the box there is 2 holders, 5 nibs and 1 eraser. Let us now have a closer look to the pen. This curvy looking pen is the big holder, having a wide amount of mouth, very contrasting to the other one which has a very small amount of mouth used for fine detailing. Then we have the set of 5 nibs. There is 5 nibs of different sizes and shapes. As you can see, all are metal made. There is no plastic is used in the nibs, and every nib is very different to each other. As now you can clearly see how the different nibs looks like. There is big nib, this one is very small nib, and this one is medium size nib, which will be mostly used for our Madhubani painting. Now just keep them aside and look at the eraser. So this is the soft eraser. This is a very normal kind of eraser, and pun intended, I don't find any kind of use of it. Other than the eraser, I like every bit of the segments that the pen have. I like the strong black plasticky holder, the steel aluminum looped nibs, which comes in a set of 5. With that being said, let's move in the next section when I will tell about the usage. Firstly, I have taken a color mixture. If you want to learn how we make the color mixture, you have to check the video which is in the I button now. I have taken a handmade paper for the Madhubani work. Now I will start with dipping the pen in color and then adding small lines. As you can clearly see how the nib will look like and work in a surface. It's very smooth and easily glides to your surface. Using nib pen is a little bit difficult, but believe me, it's so much easy. Just put the steel nib in the holder, dip it in the color and start drawing. Sometime it will be happen that your nib is not working. Just take a pure cotton cloth and clean the nib. Then same way, dip the nib again and start working. The authentic Madhubani painting is done using this nib. So I will highly suggest you to use nib for making Madhubani painting. With that being said, now we will move to our next section. Let us now try with a different painting and see how the nib will perform. See how slowly I am doing and making the parallel lines to fill the whole part of the body. Do it slowly and with patience. I hope you will do it very nicely. You can clearly see how beautiful the nib work is looking like. Now I will use a big nib for making the border. So let's start by dipping it. Make sure it's fully dipped and then make the border. You can see how big and bulky the lines are looking. So this big nib I feel is very useless. As everything in the world has a positive and the negative side, so as this pen set. First of all, some are very hard to fit and some are very loose. As you can see, this is very hard so that I can't fix it in the pen. It makes it very difficult for me using this pen. On the other hand, using nib pen is very much problematic as we need to use liquid color for this. We need multiple cleaning and sometimes our hand and our whole workspace got dirty because of this. So for nib pen, it's not cup of tea for everyone. The same kind of thing we can get by any other material. We don't need to make so much struggle while attending this. So I feel there is also very good amount of negative point. As you can see, I am giving so much pressure to put the pen in the position. Finally, though people fascinate with the Madhubani painting nib, but I feel in market there is a great amount of alternate available, where you don't need to struggle every bit of time to make the pen. You just open and start drawing. Plus, there is no chance of spilling the colors here and there. If you use micron pen, your hand won't get dirty. Plus, you don't need any additional color that you need to mix. It already filled with colors. This is Sakura micron pen. I have done a whole video of Madhubani painting in black and white style using this micron pen. If you somehow missed it, don't worry. I have given the links in the description box as well as the I button. Also, the Best Buy links of all the materials are already in the description box. So make sure to check that too. With that being said, it's up to you whether you want to use the nib pen or any kind of micron pen. Always the feelings are the main, not the materials. See you in the next video.